Roswell Flight Test Crew here at Xponential 2018 in Denver, Colorado. And I'm here with my friend Orin Aviram from ParaZero. How you doing, Orin?
Hey Patrick, great to see you again. Thank you for coming.
Absolutely, glad to be here. Now, we first met up with you guys at Interdrone where you were showing off these monster parachute drone safety systems for big commercial operations. But when I walked by your booth today, I saw something that blew my mind. Why don't you tell the people about it?
You're talking about the safe air for Phantom and for Mavic.
Would you mind if I just call them the ParaZero babies?
ParaZero babies. I love that name, Patrick. Thanks. That's a good one. The safer for Phantom and for Mavic have all the ingredients that ParaZero always has on our systems. Autonomous identification of free fall, of roll angles which are excessive, and autonomous activation of our system, flight termination system, everything is completely autonomous.
But this is for the aircraft that people really fly every day out in the world. I mean, one in every 10 or 100,000 users has got an M600, but everybody's got a Mavic and a Phantom.
True, that's, we understood that, and we do have our larger systems for the Matrice series, and we decided to come out with the systems for the Phantom of the Mavic, because also there are a lot of professional users that feel the need for that. We hope that having an emergency safety system will enable them to operate safer, closer to crowds and construction sites and all their missions, and still have safer operation.
Now, a couple of questions for you is, one, you're obviously attaching something to the drone. How much does it weigh? Because obviously more weight means less flight time.
So they weigh approximately 100 grams for both the Mavic and the Phantom. There may be 10-gram difference between the two systems.
And have you tested these? Because the other thing I noticed is, particularly on the Phantom, it sits right on top of the GPS receiver, so it doesn't interfere with that?
No, so we've tested it. We get the same satellite reception on them, even though it's sitting exactly on the top. Does not degrade anything about the drone performance.
Very cool. So on the ParaZero babies, if you end up deploying them, do you need to send them back to the factory to be repacked?
The ParaZero, for safer for Phantom and for Mavic, is repackable by the end user.
That's obviously a big plus. Now, I also noticed here in the booth, you've got a system for the M200. That's obviously a very popular bird for commercial and like emergency response type users. What's going on with that?
Very happy that we're finally releasing the Safe Air M200 and the whole M200 series. And it has the emergency computer with all the sensors on board, so we would feel free fall, angles, every breach of flight envelope. In all these cases, our system will stop the propellers, we have the flight termination system, and activate the parachute, as we always do. Your question about repacking, the ones on the Matrice, we've partnered with DJI Enterprise retailers. If the system was used, it would be replaced with another system by the local retailer, probably at a very minimal cost, and the system will be sent to us for repacking.
Outstanding. Well, getting back to the ParaZero babies, the question everybody wants to know, certainly I personally want to know, is when are these going to be available and what are they going to cost?
So they will be available in the summer, and they will cost several $100s.
All right. Well, I am genuinely going to be waiting. This is a really cool thing. Looking forward to seeing it out there. Well, Orin, thank you so much, as always, for your time.
Patrick, thank you, and I'm looking forward to sending you a unit.
And I'm looking forward to receiving it. So, from Xponential 2018 in Denver, Colorado, this is the Roswell Flight Test Crew, signing off.